Welcome back, all my dear and lovely children. I hope you all are fine. Before starting with today's lesson, let us all thank the Almighty for keeping us safe and healthy. Let us be grateful for all the mercies which He has bestowed upon our families. So, let us now start. Today, we are going to learn the first poem in English 2, and the name of the poem is Tommy's Five Senses. Before starting, let me tell you who are the five senses. We all have senses, and they are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and hands. In this poem, we will see how Tommy's five senses help him to do various things. So, let us now begin. Tommy's ears help him to hear and keep his balance too. Tommy's eyes help him see if something's red or blue. So Tommy's ears, they help him to hear and to keep his balance. Whereas Tommy's eyes, they help him to see all the different colors. Let it be red, blue, green, yellow, and many more. The second stanza. Tommy's hand helps him touch and know just how things feel. Tommy's tongue helps him taste a sour lemon peel. Tommy's hand, they help him to touch and feel different things. Let it be hard, soft, rough, smooth. Whereas Tommy's tongue, they help him to taste a sour lemon peel. Tommy can taste all the flavors of food with the help of his tongue. Let it be spicy, sweet, sour, or bitter. Third stanza. Tommy's nose helps him smell the food he likes to chew. Tommy's senses help him think, decide, and learn to do. So Tommy's nose, it helps him to smell all the favorite foods which he likes to eat. And the five senses, they help him to think, decide, learn. See Tommy, how is he smelling his favorite food up there with the help of his nose. The last stanza. Tommy has five senses, as this picture of him shows. Tommy's helpers, ears and eyes, and hands and tongue and nose. So, can you see Tommy in the picture? So Tommy is having how many senses? He's having five senses. And who are Tommy's helpers? The ears, eyes, hands, tongue, and nose. Well done, children. Now let us learn the rhyming words in this poem. Repeat after me. Two blue, two blue. Feel, peel, feel, peel. Chew, do, chew, do. Shows, nose, shows, nose. So, in this poem, we have learned that just like Tommy, we too are helpers. We too have our helpers, and they are The ears, they help us to hear and keep balance. The eyes, they help us to see if something is red or blue. We can see different colors with the help of our eyes. And the nose, they help us to smell the food we like to chew. All our favorite food we can smell with the help of our nose. And the tongue, it helps us to taste a sour lemon peel and all the different flavors of food such as sweet, spicy, bitter and sour. Then hands, they help us to touch and to know how things feel, whether it is soft, rough, smooth, hard. So all these are our helpers: the ears, eyes, nose, tongue and hands. And with all our helpers, we can do various things in our day-to-day life, just like Tommy. Thank you children for patiently listening to me. Until the next video, all of y'all stay safe and stay home.